Hey guys, Steve with SPL Games. Thanks for checking in. This is the closure, so this is going to be part two of the battery connector. This thing came in with just a battery connector. That last little part of that battery connector where it plugs in was jacked up. So I replaced that. Then I also replaced the charge port because I ended up noticing there was a bent pin in there. I also replaced the BQ chip right here, the charging chip. Then on the back, the P13, which is basically the video slash power chip. And then there was a massive failure on the EMI filter, bottom left. Seems to be the one that always goes out. So I actually had to manufacture, I guess you could say, my own. I technically used a PS4 one, and then I just ran jumpers to it and held everything down with UV solder mask. I wasn't able to post it here, unfortunately, because I'm like not wanting to take it apart and risk, that those jumpers messing up. So they are on my Instagram if you guys want to check them out there. But overall, I was super happy because we got it to work. So much work and it finally pays off. So that is all. Thanks for checking in, you guys. Steve with SBL Games. Please like, follow, subscribe. We accept donations wherever we're online. We do have a giveaway, monthly giveaway. You have to enter to win, folks. But all right, Steve with SBL Games signing off.